I bet it pushed up his sleeve into it is what it did.
Okay. Oh. Gracious. You don't like it, Mom.
Take it off.
How can you tell?
I don't like it, Mom.
You see, it didn't get
Oh, you
pulled
see,
up. I
right.
think that sleeve is...
It's kind
I
of
think
tight.
there's a reason sometimes these things are at Marshall's.
Funny boy. Glad that's over with. He walks away.
Yeah. It's so cute though, and it looks like the kind garage guys would wear. Let's check and see how smaller one sleeve is than the other.
Oh, I can down on this end. Yeah, I can see that. That's well, it's not that. It's just enough different that it's like yeah, right at the arm.
It's too bad. Well, you can't tell that he likes it, but he does like it as a concept.
Yes.
The coat the garage guys wear.
But the other thing though is he's got all these coats that he's only going to be able to fit into for like the next 3 months.
Yeah.
Henry dancing. Look at Henry dancing.
Goodbye.